Hi, my lovely Virgos. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Virgos, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of May 2023. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also, guys, if this resonates with you, if it is your story, please do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Just a disclaimer, guys, there is a loudspeaker playing out somewhere around, outside, and I truly have no control over it, and please forgive me for that. Kindly bear with me. I really don't have any time left to waste another day, and I'm already running behind the schedule even this month, so please bear with me. I apologize. So Virgos, while pre-shuffling, there were few messages that were coming through very strongly, like very strongly. For some of you guys, some things are ending. Okay, some things are ending for sure. Rather, it is time for you to let go of certain things. Certain things, certain situations, or some people in your life, maybe. Okay, there is something that is your kind of holding, or holding too tightly. That it's not right. It's detrimental to your mental and overall well-being, but you're fearing losing it. Okay, it's like it's a war between your mind and your heart. Okay, your mind says you must let it go, but your heart is not willing to let go. Okay, so the strong message was let go, no, reconsider if you're wanting to hold on. Okay, and you just have to think what you need to release. Okay, you really need to move away from something. I saw 10 of Wands couple of times, I saw let go card a couple of times, I saw what do you need to release card a couple of times. Okay, so please guys, if at all that something is not working for you, please let it go. Okay, there is no point holding on to a dead situation, or something which is really not working well. Okay, some of you guys are going to step into Queen of Swords energy, and you guys are going to probably cut ties with someone. You guys are going to block someone from social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta, each and every source of communication. It could be you or someone else doing that, but I feel more so it is you who is going to do that. Okay, or rather you are advised to take that action, because take action was coming through very strongly. There was one very peculiar and interesting message which I had never seen before. I had not come across any such message before. Someone is somehow concerned about their kids. Okay, his or her kids maybe the well-being of your children, or their studies, or something related to kids. I really do not know the exact situation, but yes, there is some conflicting energy where your kids are concerned. Okay, or children are concerned. That's what was coming on very strongly. The angels are asking you very strongly to focus on your health. Okay, focus on improving your health. Okay, that was coming through very strongly. And what else? There was one more message. Yeah, some of you guys are missing someone. Okay, someone from your past, someone whom you are connected through karma. Okay, you have karmic bonds. Probably the 10 of Wands, or the energy that you need to release, is with this karmic person. Okay, you had certain karmic debts to pay to each other, and that is the reason why you ended up meeting in this lifetime and exchanging some unpleasant situations. But like I said, there were some karmic debts to be paid, and this connection is not related to this particular lifetime. Okay, it's from lot of previous lifetimes, and I know it might be very hurtful to let go of this situation or this person, but yeah, the karmic bonds or the karmic debts can be very painful. Okay, they really can be very painful, but Well, our soul, signs certain contracts to come on earth, and probably this was one of your soul contracts. Okay, yeah, very very intense energy coming through. Some of you guys are going to receive invitation from your friends or family, some sort of social event, party, function. You guys might be having a reunion kind of a thing, maybe with your school friends, college friends, ex-colleagues. Okay, but this invitation is just going to come you and take you by surprise, and you guys will plan, you guys plan to meet somewhere, some center place wherein you both will travel and meet at a center place and celebrate. Okay, that's the kind of message that was coming through. Okay, yeah, with that, let's get started, guys, and see what messages we have for you guys in your main reading. Wow, oh my goodness. What a powerful combination to start with. Oh my goodness. Yeah, oh my god, oh my god. Out of 4 we already have 3 major arcanas. Definitely a karmic churn going on with you guys. I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. Please spare the mistakes that I'm making while speaking to you guys, but yeah, this is how it is. Yeah. Yeah, see, something related to someone's yeah, this is precisely what I was talking about while pre-shuffling. Okay. All right, I'll stop here because the reading gets really really long. Okay, let me just quickly check the cards. I think we are already good here. Yeah, we are good. So guys, in your recent past, some of you guys have got a fresh new start, okay, a reboot, okay, a restart to your life. Okay, someone has really started afresh with this Fool card. See, Fool card is a number 0, which always, not always, which most of the times indicates new beginnings. Okay, brand new start towards something, maybe a relationship, maybe a career, okay, or maybe a new start at life, starting family again, second call, judgment call maybe, but starting something afresh, a second chance, a fresh start. Okay, and that is what your Wheel of Fortune moment was. This is the turn, or the new chapter of your life had begun in the recent past for some of you guys. Okay, you have actually ended one chapter and opened a brand new chapter of your life. That is what is indicated very very strongly through this combination. Now you are carrying your vast experiences in your kitty. Okay, and you were just ready to take this leap of faith. Okay, you were just ready to take this calculated risk, and you were like, I want to just do and see where life takes me. Okay, that is what is saying. A new start in terms of career, a new start in terms of relationship, like I said, but well, definitely a reboot. Okay, definitely a fresh start in some aspect of your life, and such a beautiful energy. Like, I hope it has worked out well for you guys. In your current energy now, this is very interesting. This is precisely what I was talking about. You guys really need to take a step back. You guys really need to pause, and you guys really need to think about a situation. Like, really think about, like, is this serving me right? How much energy do I want to put into this situation further? Okay, how much do I need to invest emotionally, physically, spiritually into this situation, or into this person, or into this job, or into this business which is not reaping profits for me? So guys, this is what you really need to think and introspect. Okay, and you really need to shed the burden. You really need to let go of that burden. This message, guys, has been your dominant message for this month. Okay, or it is your dominant message or takeaway message for this month. To whoever this is resonating, it is time to let go. It is time to let go of that burden. Okay, please guys, you really need to see or change your perspective, see things from different angle. Okay, there is no point holding on to something which is not working for you. Okay, seriously take a 360-degree view of the situation. Life is too short to clinging on to anything which is not serving us right, and just let go. And by the way, there is this crow right over here, if you can see. it's your spirit guide who is, you know, urging you to let go of this, who is urging you to have shift in perspective. It is urging or advising you to, you know, contemplate and, you know, really think and let go of this situation. Okay, your spirit guides, who your elderly people who has transited to the other sides, they are with you in this, and they want you, or they'll help you rather to, you know, even cope up through whatever this ending is. Okay, definitely go for a break, take vacation, take a break, pause, sleep a lot. Okay, you guys are, 10 of wands is a very exhausting energy. It's like physically, not only just emotionally, it is even a physically tiring energy. So please make sure that you are resting enough, Virgos. Okay, please make sure you're resting enough. What an intense energy, guys. I wonder what it is that you want to really let go. But yeah, in your immediate future, I see that you guys, you know, might, you know, you guys might end up helping someone who is into some financial crisis. Okay, you might lend money to someone, or if you have already done so in your past, this person will, you know, come back and return your money. Okay, but definitely exchange of money is what I'm seeing. Maybe you might be indulging into some charity work, if not you know, helping out to someone you know in person, but you know, could be giving some huge amount to some charity. Or like I said, if there is domestic help around you who needs money, or your friend or family who is in need of money, you're going to lend money to that person. Or like I said, if you had done that already in the past, you're going to get that money. But the point being, you're going to have exchange of money over here. Definitely monetary transactions are going to happen over here, is what I'm seeing very strongly, very strongly. Yeah, some financial aid provided to someone is what I'm getting. Okay, or money coming into someone is what I'm getting over here. And I feel you are the one, either the lender or the receiver of the money lent in the past. Okay, that's what I'm getting over here. Well, your overall energy again is very this is precisely the energy that I was talking about. There is something related to your, you know, your kids that is happening, guys. Something related to your kids. Maybe, you know, they were not keeping well, or they were in some sort of trouble. But the good news is there is the sun card in the future side. Okay, on this side of the energy. Even while pre-shuffling, it was on this side. So I believe that whatever this bad or rough period about your children was, or a child was, it's coming to an end. Okay, it's definitely coming to an end. I also feel that some of you guys are, you know, missing someone from your past. Okay, like someone whom you have known as as when you were a child. Okay, and you guys might even end up meeting this person after a long time. Okay, that's also what I'm getting very strongly. Some of you guys are definitely planning something, researching about something, finding out more information. Maybe you guys are, you know, planning yeah, one thing I was getting is you could also be planning to travel with your kids. Okay, maybe it's a vacation time and you are, you know, finding out more information as to where you can go or where you can travel. But you guys are definitely researching about something. Okay, and when it comes to your career, okay, you guys are again, you know, exploring your options. Probably you guys are planning to switch your job, probably you are planning to relocate for work purposes, but either ways you are finding out more information about it. Okay, or you could be working on a project which is, you know, is about to kickstart. Okay, and this project could be delayed for some reasons. Okay, it is like taking longer than what you had expected, and the things are, you know, progressing in a very slow manner. Knight of Pentacles is the slowest energy in the tarot deck. So yeah, you might feel that, oh my god, things are taking forever. Okay, it's like really taking forever. But the best thing about this Knight is that even if it takes longer, it is sustainable and durable. Okay, whatever changes or whatever energy is coming to you after this Knight of Pentacles, it is going to be for long term. Okay, so just have patience, guys. Just have patience, and, you know, just believe in the divine timing. Okay, that's all I'll tell you about this energy. Wow, Virgos. Let's quickly pull some additional message from this beautiful deck. Okay, this has flipped and this has flipped. Okay, a fiery climax approaches. Well, meditate and contemplate is at the bottom of the deck. So guys, whatever, you know, if you, especially if you are fearful of letting go, okay, there is no need to be. Okay, there comes a point in your life wherein you have to take those tough decisions, you have to take that risk, otherwise you will not know what lies on the other side, right? Maybe life is, you know, waiting to shine beautifully on the other side. Okay, but unless and until you let go of the old, how are you going to know, okay, what the new energies are bringing about? Okay, a fiery climax approaches. Definitely things are going to end for you guys, whether you want it or not. If the things that are destined are going to happen, because that's what the soul contract is. Okay, that's what I talked about in the beginning. So it's better if you do it in a prepared manner, especially if you are listening to tarot and all. Okay, then, you know, it's a chance, it gives you a chance and encouragement to, you know, take the right actions or take the right decisions. So yeah, might as well use it, isn't it? A win-win forecast is a win-win outcome is forecast. So whatever this situation could be, guys, things are not going to be that bad. Okay, there will be some losses, there will be some gains. Okay, but you know, whatever this is happening for your highest good. There is Six of Pentacles over here, which again talks about balance. Okay, number 6 is all about balance, and there is this weighing scale over here as well. So yes, whatever it is going to be in your favor. I won't say 100%, like it's all like this card says, it's all about balance, like I said. Okay, but yes, you need to strike that balance and you need to go for it. Okay, rather than staying in misery and pain. Okay, let's quickly pull another message from this beautiful deck. Don't stop. Yeah, don't stop is what the angels are saying. I'm pulling this card after a long time, like really long time. I mean, it could be as long as 1 year. I don't even remember when last I had pulled it. But yeah, the angels are saying that now that, you know, you have come to certain realization, you know certain things deep down. Do not stop. Okay, do not stop, and do go ahead and take that needed action. Okay, the angels are with you, your spirit guides with you in this, and you just don't have to worry about anything. Okay, what a beautiful message, guys. Let's quickly pull some charms and conclude this reading. Okay, initial S and initial Q. Okay, I really don't know what this means. Whenever I get this initial Q, I really don't know what. Okay, if I put it this way, it is QS, which is short for question. It's a short for question. So guys, if you have any, oops, I'm sorry, other than any in addition to any other things, if that strike caught to you after seeing these initials, there is Q and S also. Questions. Yeah, you might be having a lot of questions, ifs and buts and doubts in your mind about a certain situation. Don't have those. Okay, trust the process, trust the timing, and just do it. Just do whatever it is needed. Yes, telephone, like I said, you guys are definitely going to receive some message from someone. Okay, you guys are going to hear from a friend of yours, or someone whom you have not connected from a long time. Okay, this could be conversation related to your childhood, or you know, someone whom you have not connected for a long time. Okay, that's what I'm getting over here. Mirror, definitely this charm tells me to have, positive self dialogue, believe in the positive sides of the things, okay, have a positive approach towards things, no matter what, okay, no matter what you say to yourself matters a lot, okay, a lot, rather it decides everything. Paris, okay, if at all you're, some of you guys are, kind of planning travel, you guys could be, planning to travel overseas, if not Paris, somewhere else abroad, okay. That's what I'm getting over here, Virgos. And child, like I said, you know what, funnily, not even funny, it's not even funny anymore, but when I was, smudging my cards before reading, I smudged my decks and I smudged the charms as well, and this charm, just out of nowhere it fell down, okay, out of nowhere it just jumped out of this bowl and it just dropped down. And now also I have pulled this charm, and there were kids in the tarot cards also that I have pulled. So guys, definitely some energies related to your kids or children. And somehow I strongly pray that if at all your kids are not keeping well, or are in some unpleasant situation for any reason, I pray that things settle down very very soon for you guys, and I'm sure they will, because the sun card, like I said, was on the right side, okay, it's in the future position. So yes, so guys, do not worry, and just do whatever is right for your well-being and your kids and family's well-being, okay. Virgos, that was somehow it was quite an intense reading, and well, I will leave it at that actually, because I don't want to get emotional. I do get a lot of emotional and very worried sometimes. So yeah, I leave it at that. And if, like I said, is this your story, if you want to communicate or talk or discuss anything about this reading, do drop comments, or you can just message me if you know me. So I leave it at that. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.